can't be running down the road with that like that, obviously. Got the tire fixed. Going to continue our journey to Texas. Still got 1,086 miles to do. Car ran the red light.
I'm begging on my knees. The way to fight is one battle at a time. You may have won today, but I'll see you at the finish line. All is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're riding to the core. All is fair in love and war. You best be aware, 'cause all is fair in love and war. If you can't stand the heat.
Finally stopped snowing here in Arkansas, West Memphis. which is just over the line from Memphis, if you don't know that. But got the time-lapse video. Figured I'd stop that for a minute and show you what it looks like out there. So that's what we're working with here in West Memphis. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me because Bella's running, but it's a mess. As you can see, this right here, that whole line of trucks is not in parking. That's supposed to be open parking lot. I think they start somewhere around over here. There's a service truck going through because lots of people's trucks won't start or stay running. That truck right there, you can see, been sitting here for a while. And this is all from this morning. And out here, you can see in the mirror there, we got all that snow right there. That's all from today. So yeah, pretty crazy. I'm watching some Greg Abarella. Man, I can never say his name right, and I apologize. But Albarella, anyway, and working on some YouTube videos. But anyway, oh yeah, and I got the yellow glasses on because that actually coming through the windshield is rather bright. So actually looking for music right now to put with this video that I'm editing, which you will probably already have seen at this point. So yeah, there's an update on what's going on. Gonna get back to work. Alright, got the yellow lens glasses on because it helps with this stuff and the brightness coming through the windshield and still be able to see the computer screen. I'm actually editing a video from, I'm gonna say 3 weeks ago, but still caught watching them try and get that car out over there. Man, I'm trying. I don't know, it's just this nervous tick. I started using headphones to do my editing because I can hear, because right now I have to leave Bella running. So, anyway, we are stuck still in the snowstorm in the South Midwest, I guess you would call it. We are in West Memphis, Arkansas, still day 3 of being stuck here. Texas is shut down, no power, rolling blackouts, and I have a bunch of friends down there who are without power. Here with Jeremy, who is actually in the video that I'm editing, hanging out with him. We had to come over to, oh, there goes some power trucks right there, probably on their way south, to help restore power. So just figured I'd give you an update. Like I said, this is day 3-ish. We were here all day yesterday, and I got here the day before that. It is Wednesday. I believe today's Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday, February 17th, Today is February 17th, Wednesday. Tomorrow's looking a little better for being able to get moving, because since this is a drop down there, I'm hoping to be able to get it down there and get it dropped before Friday at noon for payroll cutoff. But I'm not holding my breath. My dad also is not doing very well in the hospital. He was intubated Monday night. His blood pressure dropped drastically. They had to put him on some medications to get his blood pressure up, and now they're flipping him like you would flip a steak. They have to roll him on his stomach to help with the breathing issues and what they thought was COVID, and then they have to roll him back onto his back to get his blood pressure back regulated. So it's he's unconscious because he's intubated. So my mom called me yesterday crying. She wasn't doing very well, but today is a little bit better day. I talked to her a little bit ago, and he's doing a little bit better. His lungs are also clearing up now finally, so they're also checking him for because of the leukemia, he is susceptible to other infections. So they're checking him for other infections as well, and we're hoping for the best. It is what it is. I mean, he's in the hospital where he needs to be to get the treatment, so, which is what I told my mom. So we're hoping for the best. That's an update on him. And when him and I can get out of here, we are going to head southwest. It is like 107 miles from here to Little Rock. Everything is shut down beyond pretty much Little Rock southwest. So we are stuck here till at least tomorrow. It is also 27 degrees, I think. Let me see if I can get a shot of it. Yeah. 27 degrees. So I'm going to work on editing this video and get it uploaded for this Friday, which will be the 19th. Yeah, be the 19th. This video will be going up for, if I can get it to upload, because I am almost out of data on all my devices. So the last video I uploaded was too big of a file, and it ate up almost all my data before I realized it was too big of a file. It was like 115 megabytes, which is, that's like all my devices, what I get for a month. So hopefully I'll be able to get this one uploaded. If not, you saw the previous one. We were on our way back from Texas. This video here, I actually met up with Jeremy in, and I did a walk around of his truck a little bit, him and my other friend Devard. And so yeah, there you go. We are stuck in the snow. That's a GoPro stopping because I had it on time lapse. And they actually got a plow truck out there. Look at that. That is I-55 right there. I-40 is that direction. Obviously you can't see it, but that's what it looks like here in, we're in West Memphis technically, but it is basically Memphis. So, and of course we're sitting here right at the beacon, can't get the truck washed. Well, I could get the truck washed, there's no point in getting the truck washed. So I'll give you an update probably tomorrow morning, but it might be before that.
So the cops are taking off. Yeah, I did. I heard that here 2 days ago, yeah. Appreciate the heads up. Best of wishes going that way. And you just stand by careful. coming out there. 10, appreciate it. There didn't even stop holding the cell phone to his head. I know he's driving a plow truck, but damn. Alright. Fella back here behind us. Make sure you swing wide enough there. Snow deep on the right. 2-4. Bumper, brother. I forgot that it went up. I couldn't tell you how many times I've had somebody holler at me over the years and tell me mine was up going down the road. Oh, I can imagine a lot, because it definitely happened to me multiple times. Pull out the truck stop and forget. This at 45, then in that ship we were just in right there, bunched up trucks at 60, 65. I agree, especially with those lunatics. Well, I have my radio on so I can hear y'all and follow y'all. Yeah, that's one of them times the radio saved your life. I always have mine on. Sometimes I turn it down to get the yakking like they were when we left West Memphis over there. Yeah, I do the same thing. I'll keep it just loud enough to where I can hear something. If I hear a bunch of activity, I'll crank her on up to see what's going on. Right. Got a four-wheeler coming at us up here. 10. I don't know if you noticed or not, but we're on our side of the road. You see what the other side looks like here, so. Oh yeah, I'm definitely looking at that. If you're going westbound, you're going to be coming to a stop up there about the 235. They got a jackknife truck in the road, the 230 that they're cleaning up. I do appreciate it, driver. We're off on the 2-lane here. You look good into West Memphis there. It was pretty smooth sailing. We just come out of there. Appreciate that. Thank you. Watch your bumper, Jared. This shit on the right, Steve. Alright.
dumping some sort of melter when you come through here. Dropping to 45 right here when you drop off the hill with a right corner at the bottom.
Say that one more time.
Turning to 45 there when you drop off the hill with a 40-mile-an-hour corner at the bottom on it.
Oh, gee. Yeah, you have to drop something down coming through here.
Got a four-wheeler back and a pickup waiting to come out on the road here.
Alright, hopefully they don't try to jump out just yet.
Yeah, he did. He come out of there. I think he'll be alright though.
Yeah, I'm good.
Got another four-wheeler coming back at you. Looks like somebody's hat laying in the road there. A big truck coming back. Followed by two cars. Oh, and an ambulance in the road there. When you get to the flat there, stop. Don't start up this hill here.
Ah, 10.
Hey, boo, stay with it.
Okay, I'm coming with it.
Kind of gonna be coming back at you, coming down off the hill here, watching trees on the right side. Got a car chasing dog out there at the edge of the road. And a skid steer down here trying to plow snow.
Oh, another one of those.
Yeah, he's actually got a snow plow on the front of it too.
Oh, well, there we go. He makes some money over there in Memphis.
Right. Man, these country folk out here, they're not afraid to be out here in this shit.
No, not at all. It's just another day, you know, adapt and overcome.
Yipper. There's a skid steer coming down the road at us here. Looking at his cell phone.
Oh, wow. Going that slow, I guess you don't really have to worry about hitting much, right?
Right? Got some line trucks down here at the fuel stop. I was gonna say we're creeping down through town here.
Here in this area in comparison to Houston.
Watch the snowbank right here at the car wash with the bumper. Caught the red light.
Yeah, that's what I've been hearing.
GPS is telling me to turn on Washington right up here, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to try and stay on 70.
If I had to guess, that'd probably be our best bet. Because everything to the left is solid white.
Yeah, and just brought up Google Maps and shit. We ain't even to the worst part of the damn shutdown yet.
No shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's blood red up ahead of us on 40 there, so we'll just stay on 70 here for a while.
Yeah, it's working.
We moving. Forward progress.
Slow and steady. Slow and steady.
Yeah, Miyagi, I heard you're from Oklahoma there. He's from Houston. I'm from Pittsburgh, basically. I live an hour and a half north of Pittsburgh.
Okay.
So this is really just another day to me.
Man, all the way to Laredo. No shit. Yep. Oh, well, there you go, Jason.
Yep, me too. I've been sitting in West Memphis for 3 days there because the company didn't want me to proceed. Oh, they're in the road down here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, one will make it over the tracks, the second one won't. If you want to come down here, we'll get stopped.
I tell you.
If old boy and the damn Crown Vic keep moving, we'd be alright. You got a pickup coming at you. Just stay coming here. I'm going to stay out here and hold them up here a little bit.
I tell you. Come on, Miyagi.
And we caught the red light.
Thank you there, fellas.
Yeah, copy that. Yeah, I had a guy bounce off the driver's side of my truck up there in Nashville on Sunday, so with all this coming in, the company didn't want me coming down here that I'm leased to, so I've been sitting in Memphis for three days, and he's been there for 2.5 with me.
Yeah, man.
Pulling liquid tank's different though, you know, that's like now 45,000 pounds of liquid sloshing from one end to the other.
I'll be right back.
That'll be a bummer.
Come on. We might.
It says it's 14.1, so we should be alright. Got an ATV on the road up here ahead of me.
I'm back.
Dispatch?
No, the wife, she was opening up a business account with Navy Federal, you know, who I bank with, and she was asking me some questions about it.
Copy. Damn, I thought we were going to have clear roads there for a minute.
You and me both.
Got some four-wheel drives coming back at us, but they got plenty of room.
It would be in his best interest to.
She pointing at me. I don't know what the hell she was pointing at.
Maybe they recognize the truck.
A big truck on 70 here. You got it on coming at me? Got an oversized coming at us, Jared. And the snow gets a little deep on the right here. He's not oversized though.
Oh yeah, we're good.
I was looking at Google Maps when we were back there in that town, and it looks like it's going to be 70 clear into fucking Little Rock there, and up on 440 and run around.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring when we were sitting there debating which way we were going to go. I kind of figured we were going to end up running this all the way in. Yeah. Well, we ain't first on this about that's true. I was just trying to have that one guy that was in the back gets out and looks. I think that old mess on 40 is from last night, and they had it shut down last night from some pileups yesterday. Either right lane, right lane.
Yeah, they were saying 26 cars there when we were in Memphis, or 26 vehicles anyway.
Up with them, basically. Not to mention it started pouring down, snowing again, and really threw a wrench in their plans, I guess. Oh, on the plus side, the record companies are making tons of money. Oh, hell, there's about 3 records that are paid in full over there in West Memphis, and you know, looking at them, they're brand new. Yeah, the record costs about $330,000. Oh yeah, but hell, if you were to see the amount of trucks that were stuck over there and the amount of call outs that they had, they were just circling the truck stops practically 24/7.